Hey guys, by reading all your comments in the previous video, that is shortless video, we really got inspired to make more videos just like this.
And we really appreciate all the love and support that you guys have shown us.
Yes guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, come on, hit the subscribe button now so that you will not miss the upcoming video.
And if you haven't subscribed to my channel link will be down here and my channel name will be on top here. And if you haven't followed us on Instagram, you can find us on Instagram. My Instagram ID will be down here and his Instagram ID will be right here.
So okay guys, today's video is gonna be very interesting video, and especially if you are a Khasi, please watch this video till the end because we have something special to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. A life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero?
Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you hit that like button, and if you have something to say about this video, feel free to comment in the comment section below.
First of all, I would like to thank all you guys for your love and support that you have given us. And if you haven't watched our previous video, the link will be in the description box. Alright, the main aim here in this video is to inspire and to motivate all you guys to get into fitness and live a healthy lifestyle.
Alright guys, as I have said that in this video we are not trying to show off, but our aim or motive is to spread the fitness to all around the Shillong, because as I could see that most of the teenagers and youth, they are like indulge themselves in a bad habits like smoking, drinking, extra. So that's why we want to decrease or eliminate all these bad habits by creating this type of videos, so that they will immerse themselves in the good things like exercise, meditation, yoga, and above all fitness, right?
Alright, but without you guys it won't be possible. All we need is a supporting hand from you guys so that we could create more great contents like this.
So just take 2 seconds of your time by sharing this video to all your family members, your friends, especially to teenagers, so that we will have a better society, right?
Alright, if you haven't subscribed to my channel link will be in the description box.
So okay guys, make sure you subscribe to his channel because he do a lot of videos like motivational, inspirational, and especially fitness, right? So make sure you check his YouTube channel and subscribe.
Till then, we'll see you in the next video.
Love you all.